Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube page. Today I'm going to talk about DV Lottery. Uh, when I was watching my Facebook page, DV Lottery applicants, uh, they were asking some questions. Some of the questions are DV Lottery 2024, when will be the result published? And some of them, they are asking which website to use to find out the result. So I'm going to talk about these two topics. The first thing you need to do is go to Google search box and type DV Lottery 2024, and it will give you the website link. As you can see, the top one, it says Electronic Diversity Visa Program. This is the main link if you want to find out the winner. uh, dvprogramstate.gov. This is the website link. Go to this link and then it will gives you um, as you can see right here, it says DV 2024 entrants may enter their confirmation information through the link below starting at noon on May 6, 2023. So they will publish after May 6, 2023. The DV 2024 registration period opens on October 5, 2022 and closes November 8, 2022. So this year, May 6, 2023, the winners, they can search this page and find out. Let's check this one, check status. It says, welcome. The U.S. Department of State Electronic Diversity Visa entrance status check for DV 2023 applicants is available until September 30, 2023. The entrance status check for DV 2022 applicants will remain open until September 30, 2022. Entrance status check instruction. Please be sure to have the entrance confirmation number, last family name, and year of birth to check the entrance. So you need confirmation number, last name, family name, and date of birth to check the entrance status online. Let's continue. As you can see right here, the page will ask you to fill out confirmation number, last name, and date of birth. And then after that, you have to fill out the authentication code. Then you have to submit. After that, it will tell you if you are a winner. It will tell you, congratulations, you are the winner of DV Lottery 2023-2024. So This is what I have for today. I wish you good luck for all of you. Thank you for watching. Bye.